Maybe you have been hearing about Postinor 2 for over so many times. Today in this video, I want to share 10 interesting facts about Postinor 2 that you need to know. Before we continue, if it's the first time to watch our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on notification bell so that you won't miss out in our upcoming educative videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educative YouTube channel. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said in the beginning, in this video I want to share 10 interesting facts about Postinor 2 that you need to know. The first one is Postinor 2 is not an abortion drug. So many people think that Postinor 2 can help terminate a pregnancy. No, you understand it wrongly. Postinor 2 it can terminate a pregnancy. It helps to prevent unwanted pregnancy by preventing a fertilization of the matured egg during ovulation. And without ovulation, there is no way that pregnancy can occur. The second fact that I have on my list is that Postinor 2 is an emergency drug. There are so many girls that I know they are taking a Postinor 2 like 3 times a day like a paracetamol. And what you don't know is that Postinor 2 is an emergency drug. It is not such type of drug that you can take each day when you are having a headache or fever. And it is not such type of drug that you can take each time when you have a sexual intercourse with your partner. What you need to know about Postinor 2 is that it is such type of contraceptive that you need to take when you have a unprotected sexual intercourse and you don't want to get a pregnancy. The next is you have to take it as early as possible. If you want Postinor 2 to work perfectly for you, you have to take it immediately after a sexual intercourse, or you have to take it 3 days after having an unprotected sexual intercourse, which is equivalent to 72 hours. Because the earlier you take it and the earlier it will help you to prevent unwanted pregnancy. So at any cost, make sure you take Postinor 2 immediately after you had a unprotected sexual intercourse. The next is run self-prescription. So many women nowadays usually go to the chemist or pharmacy and buy Postinor 2 without knowing how to use it perfectly. Don't forget that Postinor 2 have a 2 tablet and make sure you follow a manufacturer illustration about how to take each tablet. Normally about how to take Postinor 2, you need to take a first tablet immediately after having unprotected sexual intercourse. And the second tablet shall be taken at 12 hours after having a sexual intercourse. So you have to avoid a wrong self-prescription if you want Postinor 2 to work for you perfectly. The next is side effect. Like other medication, Postinor 2 has a side effect like nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, breast tenderness, and so on. If you take a Postinor 2 and you have a side effect, make sure you visit your nearest health center. The next is dangerous medication. Postinor 2 is one of the dangerous drugs, and we shall not take this medication if you are hypertensive or if you are a diabetic patient. And make sure you check each manufacturer precaution before you take this medication. The next is it is not against sexual transmitted infections or sexual transmitted diseases. So many people think that Postinor 2 can help to prevent a sexual transmitted infections or diseases like a HIV/AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, and so on. This drug it is not again a sexual transmitted infections, and if you are taking it for a hoping to get a prevention from a sexual transmitted infection, you are wasting your money. These drugs it is not to protect you from any kind of sexual transmitted infections. The next is Postinor 2 is highly effective. Research shows that Postinor 2 is highly effective and it can help 80% of the pregnancy if it is taken 24 hours after having a unprotected sexual intercourse. So if you want Postinor 2 to be effective for you, make sure you take it immediately after having unprotected sexual intercourse.